Have you ever wondered how businesses make important decisions or improve their processes? The secret lies in the role of a business analyst. Business analysts are the problem solvers and strategists behind every successful company. They bridge the gap between business needs and technology solutions, ensuring smooth workflows, better efficiency, and increased profits. And here's the best part: you don't need to know coding to become a business analyst. The demand for business analysts is skyrocketing across industries like finance, healthcare, e-commerce, IT, and more. With digital transformation in full swing, companies need skilled business analysts more than ever. Now let's talk about how you can become a business analyst, even if you're completely new to this field. Step 1. Learn the fundamentals. Start by understanding what business analysis is, how companies operate, and how decisions are made. Step 2. Master the tools. Get hands-on experience with industry tools like JIRA, SQL, Confluence, and Agile methodologies. Step 3. Develop core skills. Learn how to gather requirements, interact with stakeholders, and solve business problems. Step 4. Work on real-world projects. Apply your knowledge through practical case studies and projects. Step 5. Get certified and land a job. With a recognized certification, you'll stand out in the job market and be ready for high-paying roles. This structured roadmap ensures you don't just learn the theory, but actually gain the real-world experience that companies look for. So, what exactly will you learn in the Business Analyst certification? Business Analysis Fundamentals. Understand how businesses function and how to analyze them effectively. Agile and Scrum methodology. Learn how to work in an Agile team and manage changing requirements with confidence. Requirement gathering and documentation. Master the art of collecting business requirements and translating them into actionable plans. Process modeling and workflow diagrams. Learn how to visually represent and optimize business processes using industry-standard tools. Data analysis with SQL and Excel. Dive into data-driven decision-making by learning SQL queries and Excel analytics. JIRA and Confluence for business analysts. Get hands-on experience with project management tools that are used by top companies worldwide. With these essential skills, you'll be fully prepared to handle real business challenges like a pro. Learning the skills is one thing, but knowing how to present them is what gets you hired. That's why our program also includes resume building and interview preparation to help you land your dream job. Here's how we help. Professional resume templates. Craft an industry-standard business analyst resume that grabs recruiters' attention. Mock interviews. Practice real-world interview questions and get expert feedback. Job market insights. Learn how to network, apply for jobs, and negotiate salaries effectively. By the time you complete this training, you'll be ready to walk into your interviews with confidence and impress hiring managers. Now let's talk about what really matters: salaries. How much do business analysts make? Here's what you can expect. Entry-level business analyst, $70,000 to $85,000 per year. Mid-level business analyst, $85,000 plus to $100,000 per year. Senior business analyst, $100,000 plus per year. And that's just the beginning. As you gain experience, you can move into leadership roles or specialize in fields like data analysis, product ownership, or consulting. Where can this career take you? The opportunities are endless. Career paths. After certification, senior business analyst. Work on strategic planning and high-level decision-making. Product owner, lead product development and innovation in Agile teams. Agile consultant, help organizations implement Agile best practices and optimize processes. Data analyst. Use business intelligence tools to drive data-driven decision-making. The demand for skilled business analysts is only growing, and now is the perfect time to get started. So, are you ready to kickstart your career as a business analyst? Here's how you can get started today. Visit at www.quayonlinetraining.com or contact us at 802-518-0095. You can also email us to training@infotech-solutions.com. This is your chance to step into a high-paying, future-proof career. Don't wait. Enroll now and transform your future.